start making fun of me, I'm sure you can find a couple of things to make fun of me about. I'm sure, just try your best. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to model saying the word and so that you know how to do it. Or if you think you got it, I'm going to ask your permission to make fun of stuff that you're wearing so that you can say the word and to me to show me how powerful you are. Does that make sense? So now, if I say words to her and she chooses to get upset, who wins? If I say words to her and she says the word and doesn't get upset, who wins? Okay? Which way do you want to do? You don't know? All right, how about this? How about you start making fun of me and I'm going to demonstrate for you. You ready?
Your pants are ugly.
And?
Your shirt.
And?
Your nose.
And?
Your eyebrow.
And?
Your...
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.